Hi, I'm pharmacist Kevin Hope. About 9.6% of adults have a chronic cough. Now, while this would be inconvenient and frustrating on a normal day, add in the COVID pandemic and it is absolutely debilitating. You can imagine going out into public and the anxiety and the stigma that is associated with a chronic cough this day and age. Patients are desperate for answers. I would like to invite you back then for a program entitled Embarrassed to Cough in Public, Understanding Chronic Cough Amid COVID-19, as we're joined by PharmD Megan Adelman from the Family Medicine Pharmacy at Cleveland Clinic, Akron General.